As the president of Saudi Meter Company and as well Holystar Arabia and IICS, which is under Abu Nayyan Group, I have been in this sector, power industry, for 22 years. And I will tell you, always still keep operation is in top priority. And doing operation is not about megawatt, it's about kilometers between you and the faults that happening under high temperature condition. Sometimes we are needing a technology, such kind of drone system, providing us very fast solution and defining our challenges at that site. We clear the fault very fast, rather than sending people to do the safety issue. Most inspection solution still really on challenging mode. We care about our people, our staff. Risk in terms of inspection at site under high degree is a real concern. Drone system is a solution for us. It's clearing the point. Hollyway is different. They can solve our pain points, so I can come to see that is true in the factory where I show it today as a case. That's great because Zlink, the complete operation lean process when it comes for the materials flow, information flow, just-in-time concept. I see a very clear process. Really, you did a great job.
Thank you.
I'm happy to have such kind of lean manufacturing concept. For sure, that you have to be proud of with your team.
Thank you, thank you.
Remarkable solution about swap battery. It's really great technology. I found it in Holloway. Just imagine that no stop, 50 seconds just to change the battery and replace the battery in the station. That is a great technology that is not existing anywhere. It helps very fast responding to any case of inspection, and also it keep us secure, having high accuracy when using the system of Holloway. When it comes for the platform utilized and designed by Holloway, I think the dashboard is amazing, friendly used, great to utilize, easy to access. It's like a brain, connecting the hardware with the software, easy to manage the drone plan and their own routes. They are very intelligent in terms of utilizing the AI, and the drone itself can control by the platform and get the task done. I believe and I think Holloway technology built very strong system, digital twin, deliver swap battery, new technology that exists today with such kind of high response time. In operation, we need such kind of technology in the field. We need more into control room, a drone system and technology with such kind of capability that Holloway has today. I think will add a lot of value for our businesses and also our day-to-day operation mood. Thank you and wish you all the best.